Hey everyone, good evening. It's Scott at Scott Trades on Twitter with StockMarketMentor.com and your chart of the day. Want to take a look at Bitcoin? This is IBIT, ticker IBIT. Now, if we head over to the actual asset Bitcoin, we can see that BTC is trying to get above this red line here. Now, that is the 50-day moving average. It's been hovering in and around the 50-day moving average for the past couple of days, and we can see that right now, as I'm recording this video, it is above the 50-day and holding just below its 200-day moving average. Now, that is much better than what SPY is doing. We have SPY under the 200-day moving average, under the 50-day moving average, unable to get above the 21-day, and still under its 8-day exponential period moving average. So we're definitely getting some relative strength in BTC, and I want you to keep an eye on IBIT for a potential trading opportunity. With IBIT here, we can see IBIT is trying to break out of this long downward sloping trend line resistance. We got above this week. We're holding above. And now for a higher high, I want to see IBIT get above 49.30 and do it on volume. So I would look for a move above 49.30. I'll set an alert here on my software and see if IBIT can get above that level, hold above that level, and ideally do it on volume. And if it can, then that could offer you a nice momentum entry, and we could see a potential trend change here on IBIT before we see a trend change in the overall market. So that's just one of many things we're looking at this weekend at StockMarketMentor.com. I hope you have a great long weekend. Happy Easter, and I'll talk to you soon.